Okay, besties, I figured out on a black background, you can see the pink in a much more true tone. Ooh, that's some flashing bling. In the video, which I sped up a lot, I'm sorry about that. A lot of the footage was messed up. I did not want to do any sort of talking. I'm sorry. Okay, but it's a simple set. There was just a lot of bling. That's what you see most of, is the bling placement. And I know that in part of the video, you probably caught a glimpse of something over here. I hated it so much, I took it off and just moved on about my day. So that's what that was. I hope that you enjoyed this set. I just realized right now that my gems probably have a little oil on them because I just oiled up my fingers. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I hope you had or are having a fabulous Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider sharing it and help grow this channel. And sit tight for reveal shots. Thank you so much.